Hello student, today we study last theorem of the triangle. It is also known as converse of the Pythagoras theorem. Converse of the Pythagoras theorem prove that a triangle is a right angled triangle if square of the longest side is equal to the sum of the square of other two sides. It is the most important theorem for this year for board exam. Here given square of the longest side. If we take a triangle, it is not right angle triangle because it is a proof that is a right angle. Then here given longest side square. Longest side square means PR square equal to PQ square plus RQ square. Square of the longest side is equal to the square of sum of the square of other two sides. This is the given. This is the given PR square. PR square equal to PQ square plus QQ square. It is given, and by construction, in this theorem, the role of the construction is very most important, because the total proving of theorem depend on the construction. Then by construction we draw a right angle triangle ABC. A right triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree, and we construct PQ is equal to BC. PQ is equal to BC by construction, and RQ equal to AB. If we prove PR equal to AC, then both triangles are the congruent to each other. If the both triangles are congruent to each other, then angle B is equal to angle Q. Angle B is equal to angle Q. If angle Q is equal to 90 degree, then the triangle is a right angle triangle, hence proved. Then we prove here, to prove angle RQP is equal to 90 degree, then the triangle RQP become a right angle triangle. Now we prove this theorem. Take a triangle ABC and PQR. We can also write PQR and ABC. Here AB equal to, we prove congruent triangle, AB equal to PR. This is the by construction. And BC is equal to PQ. It is also by construction. Both are equal. Only one information more required here. Then here given PR square is equal to PQ square. Now this is the PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square, and therefore PR square equal to PQ equal to BC. By construction, PQ is equal to BC, then PQ square is equal to BC square, and also QR, this is the QR or RQ are same. QR is equal to AB, therefore this is the AB square. This is the AB square, equation number 1. By using the Pythagoras theorem, by using Pythagoras theorem, by using the Pythagoras theorem, Pythagoras theorem is always applied in a right angle triangle. In a right angle triangle, in triangle ABC, because ABC is a right angle triangle, then we can write AC square. Is the AC square is equal to BC square plus AB square plus AB square. This is the second equation. Now from first and second we get right hand side are equal, so left hand side are also equal. BC square AB square and BC square AB square equal to PR square, here AC square. From first and second we get PR square equal to AC square, PR equal to AC square, square cancel out, therefore PR equal to AC, here both AB equal to RQ, BC is equal to QR, and AC is equal to PR. We can also write this. This is the AC square is equal to something. AC is equal to PR. AC square PR by order. This is the 1, 2, and 3 information. To triangle ABC and triangle PQR are congruent. Therefore, triangle ABC and triangle PQR are congruent. You can also main pattern AB. This is the AB then C is congruency. RQ, this is the RQ, remaining part is P. BC, this is the A. PQ, and this is the R, and the last letter B here, this is the Q. By side congruency, then therefore angle B equal to angle Q by CPCT, and by construction angle B is equal to 90 degree. This is the 90 degree, this is the 90 degree, this is the Q is equal to 90 degree, hence proved. Okay, students.